Some things that's definitely changed with the coilover kit for AFCO over the years is just, you know, making this a lot easier to use, a lot less parts and pieces. So first we'll start off with the spring seat. This spring seat now is for a 5-inch diameter is a 1-piece seat. Before it was 2 pieces and that you had to kind of keep tied together. So you see here, this is 1 piece. We do have these large holes around the outside of this. The unique thing about that is it's not just for lightening of the component, it also allows dirt and debris to get out of this cup. That's a common problem in today's world where we use an OD grip style cup. We can trap dirt and debris in here and cause different problems with how the spring seats itself. So the bottom cup and the top cut on the cup on the nut, they're both an OD grip design. So that helps eliminate spring bow, helps keep more consistent spring rate, helps keep better feel for the driver. On the sleeve and the adjuster nut mechanism, again, OD grip, we have a polymer style internal guide. This helps keep the spring centered, so if the spring comes off or out of this cup, when it goes back in, this helps guide that spring back into its real, truly seated position. On the sleeve itself, it's got some different steps in here to allow it to lock and set on the snap ring groove and trap the snap ring better on the steel body shock. And then lastly, once you get your rawhide set with your larger coilover nut, we now have a way to lock that into place. There's an O-ring actually between the adjuster nut and this locking nut, so it gives a real positive locking feel to where this thing won't move on you. So a lot of improvements over the years with this particular coilover kit. By far the most user-friendly and best performance piece out there, just from a simple fact of how it aligns the spring, keeps spring bow out, and keeps debris out from the spring seat.